why I started this company. Yeah, the story is very big behind this. But in short, I will tell you, maybe
Okay.
that time allows us.
No, no. It's that's the point of hashtag being an entrepreneur. To learn the story. That's the
Yeah.
point of it. You can tell the long version itself.
Okay, okay, fine then. So basically, I have never thought to be an entrepreneur, and but the only
Mm-hmm.
thing that is in my DNA is love towards new challenges and how can I give back to society. If I'm having
Mm-hmm.
something from society, then I should give back to the society at some time of
Mm-hmm.
interest. So I think when I was teaching in the engineering college, so
Mm-hmm.
I thought that in this era when everyone is talking about the digital education and nowadays, but it's very difficult for parents to understand
Mm-hmm.
all this who
It
had their
is. It is.
education. Yeah, so
I
because
sit down. I'm sorry for interrupting. I sit down with my niece actually, learning
yeah.
all the fourth standard things I learned like 20 years ago. So that's very boring for me right now.
Very boring actually. So because we and our parents and our parents' parents also, they are having their education by traditional ways of chalk and duster
Mm-hmm.
and hard
Mm-hmm.
binded books, and they
Yeah.
are hearing big terms like industrial
Mm-hmm.
revolution, artificial intelligence, virtual
Yeah.
reality. So it's
Yeah.
very big term for them.
Mm-hmm.
So they are worrying about raising of the child, that how they raise their child. And in the classrooms, if you talk about children's engagement interaction, there is very least interaction of every student in the classroom because there is a
There
stress.
is no such. There was no such thing, right, as interaction with student. Like teacher used to come teach, and we used to keep quiet and listen. That's it. There was no
That's
proper
it.
interaction with kids.
Yeah, they are not getting a real time feedback also, and they are not interested to knowing that whether everybody is grasping that information, that whatever teacher is delivering or not. So personalized learning, if you're talking about, that's completely missing in the classroom, and there is no
Mm-hmm.
interaction, there is no engagement.
Mm-hmm.
Students are feeling boredom, and they are again a rote learning kind of thing. They are more
Yeah.
oriented on the marks based education.
Exactly, exactly. Yes. Only the marks oriented, like that was the actual goal. Get good marks, then move on to the next class. So when we came to college, it was everything was about marks, attendance, and then get a job. That was the
Yeah,
plan that we were all bought on.
yeah, and when there is when a new parent is raising their child, so this is a very big worry for them, and it's a genuine too, that how to mold their child with the present time, because our time, it's okay, it's gone, and their time is also gone. They are earning a job and they are making a bread winning in their home. So that's the reason we decided to move one step ahead and take our way to make such a learning environment where they can see their blending of their kind of learning, that's offline mode what we have, and the online learning. So and then the next thing came in our mind, that the augmented reality kind of thing is a very wonderful technology that can help to solve this problem, because it's you can see real time environment, and you can blend that real time environment with the content side, that whatever you want to see in there, you can see the human heart in your hand, and you can interact with that, so that the interaction kind of thing, the engagement kind of thing, and the learning kind of thing, that all are coming in the augmented and virtual reality kind of thing without harming the ecosystem. You are doing this such kind of wonderful stuff, and whenever means if and one more thing click what in my mind, that in our childhood when we go to some place or for the vacations and for the holidays, we never forget that trip in our lifetime.
Yeah.
But I ask you that did you remember the trapezium formula for the mathematics, and any other formula in the chemistry, that what the molecular equation of that? I might having a doubt that you
Nope.
don't remember that thing, right?
Definitely not.
So Is there any way to make such a learning or education system where the basic concept, actually the only basic concept must be clear in each and every mind, whichever is helpful in our skill development or whichever is helpful in our job, also in college studies also, because if you go to college, some basic concepts are the same one in college also, but we don't
Yeah.
remember from our school time, so we need to go back and we need to make out the different books from schools to understand the basics, clear out the basics, and after that college, maybe in job time, we don't forget the college studies also. So
Like,
there's
was it, let me ask you this question. Was it like I finished my BCom and then my MBA in marketing and HR? So what I felt was what our studies was and what we worked as was entirely different. There was
totally
no
different.
relation anywhere. That was the thing. So
Yeah.
as per your point, like what you said, like how would you remember? Like you asked me about the chemistry formula, right? So if there was a practical application to it, then we might have remembered it, right?
Correct. Because if you can fly with the molecules and you can go to the nanometer level, micrometer level, then only you can find out the distance, that how much the light is traveling, that how the fast is according to our time. So everything, if you're doing the practical way and without going anywhere, you're just teleporting yourself in the content world, and you will not you will just, it's the holiday for you. If I'm saying I am giving the 12, you have to only go for the vacation for the 12 years, only 12 years, then you are happy to go in that, right? But if I'm saying
Yes.
you need to read this thing, you need to watch the videos, and you need to do the study, it's only one way kind of in the communication. If I'm
It
saying
is. It
you are
is.
watching the videos or watching the PDF, if I'm talking about online thing, that the only online thing that is there on net, or the other companies are also providing as an educationist, is the video kind of solution, or is a PDF kind of thing that they are providing. So there is again a mismatch in the learning, because they are not tapping the right, because school is the right time to tap the interest. You are saying that you have done BCom and after that you have done the MBA, so the route is completely different. So why the route is completely different? Because in school time, your right time, your interest is not tapping out.
Exactly. Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So, school is the very basic foundation for the children. When parents and for the teachers, for the schools, there is a very high time to choose a right career, and right career can only be chosen when we understand the things completely, and then we come to know that okay, this is my interest point, I want to go there, I want to make career in that. Then it would be great career for a child also, and they will be their holistic development will be superb, I believe so.
Like we were kind of forced down on a particular path for education or for jobs also by parents actually, and like also the examples which are in our family. Okay, your uncle has done this, you have to go there, he's earning well. That was the criteria, right? The earning point was the criteria. There was no such thing as, okay, what's your passion? There were very few people who actually followed their passion.